everyone, welcome to the next session on SolidWorks tutorials. In this session, we will model a Venturimeter. We will first go to front plane, right click, normal to. Then we'll go to sketch and click on sketch again. Then we'll click on line and draw a line about this x-axis. Then go to line again. Draw a vertical line first, then a horizontal line, then an inclined line, a horizontal one, inclined one, and finally a vertical line. This is done. Next we'll go to smart dimension. This is 30. Next I'll give this dimension as 20. This dimension is 15. This dimension is 30. This is a pipe diameter. This line is what I'm going to delete. I'll just choose line once again. Here I'll draw an inclined line and then join it with a horizontal line. So I'll give dimension to this one as 20 again. This dimension is 40. And this dimension is 15. I change this dimension to 185. This dimension is 90. Then I'll click on exit. I'll click on sketch 1, revolve boss base. Axis is this line. And tick over here. This is the outline of the Venturimeter. Now we want to create a shell. So I'll select shell. I'll select this face and this one. The thickness is 2 mm. So this is how the Venturimeter will look like when you design in SolidWorks. With this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the design. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.